beautiful people? It's Tonyanicole, and what's up, my Balm and subscriber squad? Ooh, how y'all doing? Y'all, look, today we have a special little box. It's the Lovely Things box. This is one of my favorite subscriptions, and we're about to get it on and popping. So if you want to see what Lovely Things box, right here, oh, something ways to think. Sent your girl, stay tuned, boo. You don't want to miss this, trust me. Oh, and if you haven't subscribed, make sure you do so and like it too. Happy holidays, loves. I hope you guys are enjoying the holiday spirit. Y'all know November and December is the holiday month. You know, a little turkey day, then a little Christmas day. Y'all know how it goes. Today, guys, we're doing Lovely Things box. This is their November-December box. This one is a bi-monthly lifestyle box. You're gonna get a mixture of beauty, self-care, and lifestyle items. No commitments, just a one-time purchase. They work with other small businesses and some brands you already know. And you have a little bit of everything wrapped up in a box. And like I said, this is the November-December box, which her Winter Wonderland box last year was amazing. So I'm very excited to see what's in this one. Before we go any further though, let's shout out my 5 first commenters from my last video. Thank y'all so much for rocking with your girl. Let's take a dance break and a drink break. Hey, oh. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and open it now. I'm not sure. She have a variety of boxes on the site. I think something broke inside of here, y'all. Let me try to open this up and see what happened. Got some kind of little, look, like stuff falling out. I'm sure the post office was kicking it around. Let's get into this. Oh goodness. Oh, all right. The packaging is gorgeous. I will say, whatever it is, it smells really good. This is the box right here. I'm gonna go get this stuff cleaned off real quick. I'll be right back. All right, guys, this is the outside of the box. It has a sticker that says Lovely Things. When we open it up, that's the inside. And let's see, I don't know what broke in here, but once we get in, oh, it's the bath salts. Okay, so this was opened and it spilled everywhere. They smell really good though. But all right, let's see. We got a little card right here. And on the back is the Instagram name. Oh, good. It tells us everything that's in this box. So this one is the Cozy Holiday box. And this one retails for $42. So we're going to just go through our card here and the products. And yeah, y'all know how we do. Y'all ready? Let's get this box on and popping. Boo. A dance break. Oh, I got bad salts in it. I'm gonna still drink it. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and start with the troublemaker first, and this is from Moonlit Skincare. It is the Slumber bath salts, dried lavender buds, geranium, frankincense, and salt crystals. You get 5.5 ounces of product, and that's what it looks like right there. It's for stress and tension, sore muscles, dry skin, anxiety, and restlessness. Ooh, I like the packaging. It smells really good, guys, actually. And this retails for $19, my loves. I always love Lovely Things boxes for the fact that they do a lot of self-care, a lot of like bath salts, candles, anything to get you in a relaxing mood. I live for it. Then they also have from Moira. This is a coconut honey facial milk, hydrating and restore, clean beauty. It's made in Korea. There we go right there. Let's see where it's at on here. So it is a silky, lightweight moisturizer that's formulated with honey and coconut to help protect dry and dehydrated skin. A hydrating formula that will keep your skin moist and not oily for a radiant finish. And this retails for $12. Oh, look how pretty that bottle is. Gorgeous. And like I said, you get 1 fluid ounce of product in here. It has a little cap, which I do like, and then the dropper. I'm not going to open this, guys, because I may be putting this in a giveaway, but again, a nice lightweight moisturizer to keep your skin hydrated. It don't get no better than that, right? Yes. Next up, we have from Jocelyn & Co. This is Apricot Jam Petites. Mini cookies with real butter. Okay, that's what it's looking like right there. And that's how it looks on the back. Let's open this. Oh, it's real, oh my goodness, it's real cookies, guys. Oh, wow, and it has a jam in the middle. What? Girl, Wow! We get real cookies. Okay, it's mini cookies with real butter. Alrighty, with the apricot jam in it. And these are, I actually got the apricot filling. You can either get apricot or raspberry, and these are $3.58. Shortbread cookies. Oh my goodness, I'm excited about this. Okay, all right. We're gonna eat one of these at the end of the video. All right, next product is from Moira. This is the Lip Divine liquid lipstick right here. This one is in the shade a la mode, and it retails for $7. Is this a matte lipstick? Waterproof liquid lipstick. Let's see. Long wearing too, so it must be. Let's open her up, baby, and see. Oh yeah, look at that beautiful shade. Love it. I'm gonna swatch it on the back of my hand. Oh yeah. Ooh, that's beautiful. Look at that. Gorgeous with a nice liner. I would definitely use this. $7. I love lipstick. I love makeup. Y'all know that. This is a winner in my book. And then we have, girl, I mean, this box is packed. Right here, 2 face masks, well, eye mask. Morning Goggle Eye Mask, Brighten and Protect, made with silver, caffeine, algae complex, pumpkin, and pomegranate. So these 2 right here, let me find them. Start your morning right by brightening the eye area and rescuing puffy eyes. It's a cooling, anti-pollution, and blue light protection mask for the upper face and eye area. And these are $5 each, loves. Ooh. All right, then we have a palette. And this is from Moira as well, Modern Beauty. Oh, this must go with the lipstick. Okay, so this is a pressed pigment palette. Let's see what it looks like. Oh my goodness. There we go, right there. It gives me, the palette's from Walmart. Is it Makeup what is it? Profusion maybe? That's what it reminds me of. Ooh, no mirror, but look at these shades, guys. Ooh, perfect. I think I get cozy vibes like Christmas Eve or a day after Christmas type vibe with this palette. Look at these beautiful shades there. These are amazing. I absolutely love this. I'm not gonna swatch it because I will put this in a giveaway, but this right here retails for $14, okay? So you have some neutrals, corals, dark hues, shimmers, perfect for creating a beautiful, soft, glam look, and that it is 14 bucks. All right, so next up we have from Spongelle. It is the Let It Glow, Let It Snow. Wait, yes, so next up from Spongelle, it is the Let It Snow Holiday Ornament right there. This is $10, guys. It has, the top is lemon, grapefruit, pear. The middle is freesia. I don't know how to say that. Freesia. Floral bouquet, and the base is woody, musky, ambery. So that's how it looks, and you open it and it's the sponge. You know, the regular little Spongelles, but this is the holiday ornament edition. Very cute, very thoughtful. I am gonna hang this on my sister's tree because I don't have a tree, y'all. $10. Last time I had a Christmas tree, y'all, I did not take it down for like 3 years. And I mean, that is quite ridiculous, right? Don't y'all agree? Yeah. I'm sweating, y'all, so bad. All right, lovies. Next up is from Lovely Things box. This is the Cozy Body Balm. Ooh, look at that. It's in a nice little tin can. Let's open it. Ooh, it smells so good, like vanilla. It's a balm. Ooh, yeah, I like that. Oh, it smells just like a vanilla, like cookie or something. I love this. All right, let's look for this on here. All right, so this is Cozy Body Balm exclusive to Lovely Things box. It is by Lloyds of LaLuna, Soapery. The scent is a robust blend of spicy cinnamon sticks, hints of clove and velvety French vanilla with a hint of a luscious blend of raspberries, strawberries, coconut, lemon, peach, and vanilla. This is $12. I mean, I could use this as a cocktail, baby. It is amazing, and it smells so good. Oh my goodness, guys. I wish y'all could smell that. Oh, it smells so good. All right, $12 for this one. Up next, we have from Horchata Candle. This is the travel size candle right here. from Shin Min. It's a cinnamon sprinkled combination of the finest soy and coconut waxes, hand poured in Ventura, California, that evokes our love for our favorite beverage. All right, this retails for $8 and you get 2 ounces in it. Oh, Sin Min is about to get lit AF right now. Oh, I love it. Oh, and look at that. They have cinnamon sprinkled on the top of the candle. Girl, okay. Packaging, A+, little saying on the back is definitely a A+. I love this. $8. Yes, and I find out about so many indie brands in this box that actually turn out to be really good products that I have reordered. So this box right here, guys, is a hidden gem, I'm telling you. And you get so many products in here. Let's move along. And last products but not least is this right here. Let me get my little, it's very soft. What is this? All right. Oh my goodness. Oh, y'all, this is Christmas socks. Look at this. And they have the little skid-proof bottom. Oh my goodness. Okay, hold on. So these are the Noillia, Noillia winter socks, and you can either get red flannel or gray. I got red. I love this. These are super cute and comfy. $15. So I just bought me a flannel shirt like this. So I'm gonna definitely wear these socks with it. Oh, and they feel, girl, look, it's like it's got like little clouds or snow at the top. It's so soft. Oh, I love these. $15. Oh, girl, like, what? All right, let me hold up this box. Y'all, in this month's box, this bi-monthly box, we received 10 items. From socks to candles to eye masks to facial serums, lipstick, ornament. I mean, look at that. I will put the total value of the box somewhere at the bottom of the screen. I am going to test out my little cookie right quick. And let's do some final thoughts. Ooh, look at it, y'all. Oh yeah. Hold on, baby. Miss Swallows might be right back. All right. Final thoughts on the Lovely Things box for November and December. I'm gonna tell y'all right now, it was a 5 out of 5. Baby, we never throwing this box to the damn wolves. This box here, I mean, it screams Christmas vibes. It screams relaxation, peace, calming. I mean, I don't know what else to say about this subscription. You get a little bit of everything. It's actually like a little FabFitFun, but with more items I think you can use personally. I mean, this box just really knocks it out the park. This is one of the better boxes for me to unbox. I actually love their bi-monthly boxes. I really do. This one was perfect for me. From the socks, like I said, to the eye mask, the bath salts, the candle, everything. The cookies, like, who sends cookies in a subscription? I'm gonna tell you right now, Lovely Things box, baby, keep doing the damn thing because you are knocking it out the park. These other boxes better take notes. I'm telling you right now. This one is highly recommended by Tonyanicole. The only thing is, guys, they sell out very quick. So when you see the pre-order, you need to follow them on Instagram. You need to go ahead and pre-order because these boxes go fast, and y'all saw why. 10 items. And I'm gonna use every last one of them. All right, look, that's all I got, y'all. I'm gonna let y'all decide on what y'all want to do while I go take this wig off, take this little hat thing, all this off, and lay down. But don't forget, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. Let's be friends, y'all. You know, follow Lovely Things box, and I will talk to you guys in the comments and on my next video. All of my social media are linked down below, guys, and Lovely Things boxes website will be down below as well. Check this box out, guys. You will not regret it, I promise. All right, bye, y'all.